And here's an unusual way to fasten a steel corner securely with the nails. With a slotted drill, you can even make a spring out of a nail. Can't connect two pipes? Heat one of them with an industrial hairdryer. Combine them to stretch. Coat the future joint and glue and connect easily. Does the bolt keep falling out of the key? Try putting a magnet in the key. Now it's much easier to work, and in order to prepare the corner evenly for the skirtling board, lay the boards on top of each other, mark up, and then cut it out on the machine. When you can't get the drill with a hexagon, help yourself with a screwdriver. Let's cut out such a figure from wood on the machine. Now we will polish it. Divide the bar in half with a diagonal line and fasten the half to our board. You're done. And using this device, it's easy to take off your shoes without your hands. If you need to loosen a screw that is too tight, just create an additional lever for the screwdriver with a wrench or a second screwdriver. Let's make such a wavy groove in a wooden block. Now we will expose a thick dense wire. Let's make a hole on one side of the groove, put the edge of our steel rod there, and feed the rest to a wavy shape. After that, we make a second hole and drive the end of the rod there, slightly lift it with a hammer. Now you need to apply glue, install a rod, and press firmly with another bar, which will firmly fix it. After a while, we release the structure and let's polish it. Little varnish, and our unusual decoration for the house is ready. Look how many different drills I have. Let's take a plastic plate, line it up, and make holes with each of the drills in turns. Don't forget to number the holes so you don't get confused. This is how I went through each drill. Now, when choosing a right drill for the task, you need to check out this handy insert. Very convenient and practical. And in order to stretch the wire securely, use this method. Once the wire is taut, tighten it up with a screwdriver. Screw it in and look at the tension. And most importantly, safe. Do you want to keep a smooth cut after working with a bar? Ordinary grinding will not help here. Use mastic applied to the cut. Wait until it dries, and then sand. Now everything is perfectly smooth. And let's cut this piece of wood into several identical cubes. Now take 2 cubes and fasten them with adhesive tape. Now they can splinter and splinter. Let's repeat this with all pairs of cubes. Now we'll assemble such a rectangle out of them. We'll additionally fasten them in these places. Done! Look what a movable structure we got. Let's attach a square photo on top and cut it along the faces of the cube. And in the unfolded state, cut the rectangular photo too. Look what we got. If we cover each face with photographs, we'll get the most unusual photo album. Your loved ones will love this. And finally, I'll show you how to open canned food. You don't have to struggle any longer. Your movements should be smooth and even, so you'll have no sharp notches on the edges after opening the jar.